Want to have some fun while increasing productivity? In this video, we will be discussing two popular gamified habit tracking applications, namely Habitica and LifeUp from 2026, and help you choose which one works better for you. Both apps gamify your habits and daily chores, but in totally different ways. First, let's talk about the RPG social hub, Habitica. In Habitica, your life goals, chores, and tasks became a retro style role playing game. By accomplishing habits, dailies, and to do items, you receive rewards in form of experience points, gold coins, and armor. Your character levels up and receive pets, mounts, and costumes in return. You may also participate in parties to defeat powerful world bosses with other members. This app is entirely free to use, however, it provides premium subscription worth around $4.99 monthly or $47.99 annually. For the price, you get access to mystery items, purchase gems with gold, and exclusive pets such as Royal Purple Jackalope. Available on both iOS and Android platforms as well as on the web, Habitica continues to dominate among individuals who value social responsibility and fantasy atmosphere. Still, it demands an internet connection to use. Most of its multiplayer capabilities and its retro pixel art user interface may confuse first time users. Then we have the solo customizer, Life Up, and Ulives. In contrast to the gamified world created by Habitica, Life Up allows a more minimalist approach to XP and coins. Rather than completing a fantasy task in an online game, you earn coins and experience points based on customizable categories you create for yourself, such as fitness, coding, and writing. In Android, Life Up is a one time purchase of $4.99 and not a subscription service. As a result, those who find subscription tedious would find Life Up beneficial. Other features include playful loot boxes and a world feature where you can download community generated task designs. Finally, in 2026, for iOS users, there is ULives or LifeUp 2.0. Like its predecessor, ULives is a private app that emphasizes customization and reward systems that users create for themselves. Also, like LifeUp, ULives does not require any internet access to function, which is perfect for those who do not want any distractions when tracking their daily tasks. So, which one fits your workflow? With regard to the social aspect of the game, Habitica wins hands down. Joining guilds, competing in challenges, and forum discussions are all possible in this application. By contrast, LifeUp and ULives are built for a single user who seeks a system that is easier to use and more private. They do not employ any kind of negative RPG penalty, example, loss of hit points if you fail to complete a task, making them considerably friendlier and more appealing for ADHD users. This comes at the expense of being without any companions to join you in your battle against the dragon. So, which app is right for you? If teamwork, quest, and retro RPG graphics appeal to you, Habitica wins hands down. If you value simplicity, the ability to run offline, customization, and a one time purchase over social pressure and ongoing payments, then Life Up or Ulives will suit you better.